Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn on a restricted mode on TikTok. For example, if you want to restrict your account to specific videos and you want to turn on the restricted mode on TikTok so that you cannot see the specific videos. So how you can turn on that restricted mode on TikTok. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And in settings, you have to go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply reset your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply search for the TikTok app and you have to make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the TikTok app. And after updating the TikTok app, you have to simply open the TikTok app again. And here you have to simply click on the profile section here and you have to click on 3 lines here. And after that, you can simply click on settings and activity. And here you will find the option of content preferences. So you have to click on that, and here you will find the option of restricted mode. So you have to simply turn this on. So what is about that? So restricted mode is basically limit content that may not be comfortable for all audiences. If you find content that makes you uncomfortable in restricted mode, report it to help us improve. So if you turn on these settings, so that kind of content will not be available for you. So if you click on that, your restricted mode will be turned on. So you have to make sure about that. So you can simply select any of the reason, and after that you can simply select any of the description, and after that you will be able to turn on the restricted mode on TikTok. So hope you have liked this video. To get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.